Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to divide by s squared on numerator and denominator. Next, this one will go inside the cube root. So that should be like this. And we have s to the power of 6 and s to the power of 6 because the cube root of s to the power of 6 we have s squared. This one go inside the square root and then we'll have like this. The square root of s to the power of 4 we have s squared. This one we have number 1. This one we have number 3. This one we have number 4. When s approaches to positive infinity, 8 divided by positive infinity, you got 0. Similar for this one. And now we have the final answer. And we have 1 over number 4 plus the square root of number 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.